Hello kids! Last week we have talked about objects around us. We have learned that objects are things around us. Take a look again inside your home. Can you see a chair? Can you see a table? Can you see a bed? Can you see books? These are examples of objects or things around us. Today, we are going to describe some objects or things around us again. Are you ready? Listen. Some objects or things around us can be smooth. Say with me. Smooth. What are smooth objects? Take a look at these pictures. We have here a tomato, dinnerware like the plates, mug and a bowl. We have also here an apple. If you are going to touch these objects, are they bumpy? Do they hurt your hands? No, they are good to touch because they are smooth objects. They are smooth objects. Look at the girl in this picture. She is touching her cheeks. Now, try to touch your cheeks. Are your cheeks bumpy? Do they hurt your hands? No. Our cheeks are good to touch because they are smooth. Say with me, smooth. Some objects or things around us can be rough. Rough. Say the word, rough. Take a look at these pictures. We have here a log, a rock, and a rope. These objects are rough. They are bumpy. If you are going to touch them, they may hurt your hands. They may scratch your hands. They are not good to touch because they are rough. Just like the pineapple. We have here a pineapple. If you are going to touch the pineapple, is it good to touch? No, because it can hurt or scratch your hands because the pineapple is a rough object. Say rough. For this activity, you are going to need a red and a blue color pencil. You are going to need a red and a blue color pencil. You are going to circle the smooth objects in red and the rough objects in blue. Some objects around us can be full. Take a look at the jar and the chest. There are lots of things inside them because they are full. Say with me, full. Some objects or things around us can be empty. Say the word, empty. What are empty objects? Take a look at the jar and the chest. Do you see something inside them? No, there is nothing inside them because they are empty. They are empty. For this activity, you are going to circle the full containers and make a cross through the empty ones. What are containers? Containers, for example, like the jar, like the bottle, like a box, like bucket. These are containers. We can put something inside them. We call them containers. Circle the full containers and make a cross through the empty ones. For this page, you are going to match the shapes which are on the left side to the real objects which are on the right side. What are the real objects we have here? We have the bucket, a book, an ice cream, a box, and a ball. These are real objects. Match the shapes to the relevant real-life objects. We have learned that objects or things around us can be smooth or rough. Objects or things around us can be full or empty. Thank you, kids.